Please click on subscribe and bell button.
YouTube has come up with a new update, or you can say YouTube has launched a new feature, and it's called as YouTube Clip. So this feature is not available on all the channels yet, but slowly it will be implemented across all the channels. So in this video, I will share what is YouTube Clip and how does it work. So welcome to Bangalore Bash, guys. In case if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's start the video. Thank you. Okay, so I'll show you how this clip works. I've opened my channel, and in my channel I've opened the creator video. And if you see this video, hello insiders, I'll mute this. Okay, so if you see this video, you see the clip symbol, the scissor symbol. So this is called as a clip. Okay, so this is a new feature which is updated from YouTube, and now I'll tell you how it works. So when you're watching a video, let's say I'm watching this video and I like any moment of this video. Let's say there was something in between. This is an 8-minute video, and here I see there is something in between which I like. Okay, and that is could be for like 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Some portion I like. So what I do is I click on this clip. Hello insiders. Okay. And I will put a title, let's say funny. Okay, and here if I scroll down, do you see this? Okay, so probably from our gaming creators and viewers, 30 seconds from video. Okay, 8 minutes video, I have taken the first 30 seconds. So from the first 30 seconds, I like the 60 seconds from there, which is about a minute. So minimum you can clip is about 5 seconds to 60 seconds, which is about a minute. Okay, so I have selected this much. This is the portion which I like, so I can clip this. Okay, it can be less than 60 seconds also, but it has to be more than 5 seconds. Any portion I like, I will clip it like this. Okay, and I click on share clip. Okay, so once I click on share clip, it will give me the option, so I can share it through WhatsApp, or I can also copy a link and send it through any other platform, or I can also send it to different sources like you see here. Okay, so this is what basically clip does. So I've shared the clip to my friend. So after I share, I'll show you how it looks. So this is the thing which I've shared to my friend. So I will click on this. Okay, I'm really excited to share what we've been working on. So like this in YouTube. Okay, so here I will be seeing only the tell us about clips. Sure. Or a few years ago, we started getting a lot of requests. Okay, so it will not show you the entire 8 minutes video. It will show you only the seconds, or the 20 seconds, 30 seconds, or the 60-second clip which I have shared. It will only play that much. Okay, in case if you want to watch the entire video, then you will have an option here down below as watch full video. So if you click on this, then it will take you to the full video. Okay, so this is what basically clip does. I think this feature is very interesting. Really excited to share. Please drop your comments and let me know what you think about this feature. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you are new, please do not forget to click on subscribe and the bell button. Thank you.